The journey begins here at the state-of-the-art loading facility. These freshly picked pomegranates are ready for processing.
Here, the quality control team meticulously inspects the fruit, checking for optimal ripeness and ensuring only the best pomegranates move to the next stage.
To ensure the highest quality, samples are meticulously analyzed in our state-of-the-art laboratory before proceeding to extraction.
The forklift precisely maneuvers the freshly harvested pomegranates into the intake hopper, beginning the automated juice extraction process. The process begins as massive bins of freshly harvested pomegranates are gently tilted onto the main conveyor system. The pomegranates arrive fresh from the farm, ready for processing in our state-of-the-art facility. The freshly harvested pomegranates undergo a vigorous cleaning process in these turbulent water baths, ensuring only the cleanest fruit moves forward.
The pomegranates are first sanitized in a cold water bath. Then, the specialized buckets gently.
The process begins with a rigorous washing stage, utilizing high-pressure water jets to ensure maximum cleanliness before pressing.
The pomegranates are transported on a fast-moving conveyor, where they meet a series of large cylindrical brushes rotating rapidly to scrub their surfaces.
Once harvested, the fruit undergoes a rigorous cleaning process, utilizing high-pressure water jets and automated brush rollers to remove any debris.
Workers carefully sort the fruit by hand, ensuring only the highest quality moves on to the presses. Using precise bursts of air, the optical sorter removes any imperfect pomegranates before they move on to juicing. Here we see the optical sorter in action. It quickly identifies defects, highlighting cracks and bruises to be immediately removed from the line. State-of-the-art optical sorters identify defective fruit. This robotic arm swiftly removes the imperfect pomegranates before they reach the juicing stage. The process begins with sorting. These high-tech rollers gently guide the fruit, separating them by size to ensure consistent processing. Utilizing high-tech stainless steel machinery, the fruit is meticulously sorted by weight and size before extraction. The sorting process utilizes rotating rollers which gradually widen, allowing the pomegranates to be separated.
The journey begins as fresh pomegranates are loaded onto the high-speed conveyor belts. Advanced robotics are used to carefully slice the top off each pomegranate, minimizing waste.
The scored pomegranates move along the conveyor, where a high-speed mechanism precisely guides them off the belt for the next stage of processing. The automated system positions the fruit perfectly before high-speed blades slice it into quarters, ready for the arils to be extracted. Here we see the pomegranates being precisely scored and split open by automated machinery, revealing the vibrant arils inside. The halved pomegranates tumble into the hopper, where the automated system precisely separates the vibrant arils from the unwanted peel. Once the juice is extracted, the remaining pulp and rind are quickly transported away on high-speed conveyor belts for disposal or further use.
The freshly separated arils now move along a perforated conveyor belt. This allows any remaining debris
After deseeding, high-pressure air jets precisely separate the valuable arils from the unwanted white pith. The vibrant red arils are transported along the conveyor system, approaching the high-speed optical sorters that ensure this state-of-the-art optical sorter precisely identifies and removes any defective arils with a quick burst of air. The fresh pomegranate arils cascade from the conveyor belt into these sterile collection containers, ready for the pressing process. The arils are weighed precisely, ensuring each batch meets the 1,000 kilogram requirement before moving to pressing. The freshly separated arils are fed into a stainless steel screw conveyor, beginning their journey through the automated system. Once separated, the vibrant arils are rapidly transported through a closed pipeline system to ensure maximum freshness and efficiency. Here, the vibrant arils are fed into the massive circular press, separating the rich juice from the pulp and seeds. Here, the powerful presses extract the vibrant ruby red juice from the fruit, channeling the liquid gold into the collection troughs below.
The juice is carefully maintained at a precise temperature between 4.5 and 5 degrees Celsius.
Here, the rich crimson pulp moves efficiently along the inclined conveyor, cascading into the transfer chute before moving on to extraction. The technician logs the crucial quality data, checking the bricks and pH levels to ensure perfect consistency before the next stage.
The freshly pressed pomegranate juice is pumped through a network of gleaming stainless steel pipes.
The freshly pressed pomegranate juice flows through these transparent pipes into the large mixing tanks, ready for the next stage of processing. Next, the juice is moved to large, sterile mixing tanks, where additional ingredients are precisely measured and swirled in. The extracted juice is then transferred to large mixing tanks, where powerful blades create a vortex, ensuring a consistent blend. After pressing, the vibrant crimson liquid is channeled into these large stainless steel tanks for vigorous mixing, creating the distinctive vortex you see here. The juice is pumped into the homogenizer at high pressure, ensuring a consistent texture and preventing separation. The homogenized pulp and juice are then channeled into sterile collection troughs before moving on to the next stage of processing.
The ruby red liquid is carefully homogenized before moving through the pristine pipes towards bottling.
The juice production operator carefully adjusts the flow through the stainless steel pipes, ensuring precise control over the pasteurization process. The freshly pressed juice is then pumped into this state-of-the-art spiral heat exchanger for rapid pasteurization.
The juice is pumped through the microfiltration system, where specialized membranes remove impurities while preserving the vibrant color and nutrients.
The microfiltration process ensures the juice is crystal clear as the permeate flows through these specialized membranes. The ultrafiltration system uses advanced membranes to clarify the juice, resulting in this perfectly clear liquid. This clear permeate is the result of high-tech filtration, ensuring only the purest liquid moves forward in the process.
After extraction, the juice is carefully filtered before being held in these large stainless steel tanks.
The description includes the words inlet pressure, PSI, outlet pressure, and delta P, which appear on the screen in the video, read out loud by a synthesized voice.
The system detects high pressure and immediately initiates an automated backwash cycle to maintain efficiency.
The vibrant red liquid is carefully transferred into these large stainless steel tanks, ready for the next stage of processing.
Here in the lab, every batch undergoes rigorous testing. Once confirmed, the system moves it along the line.
The freshly pressed juice flows into the massive heat exchanger, where it undergoes rapid pasteurization to lock in the flavor and nutrients.
Inside the heat exchanger, the vibrant juice is quickly brought to temperature, ensuring safety while preserving flavor and color.
In this animation of the heat exchanger, the blue liquid is quickly brought to temperature by the orange heating medium, turning green as it is pasteurized.
The freshly pressed juice now enters the heat exchanger for pasteurization, a crucial step to ensure safety and extend shelf life.
The juice is rapidly heated to 95 degrees Celsius for pasteurization, ensuring safety while preserving flavor. State-of-the-art optical sensors continuously monitor the color and consistency of the juice flow.
The juice is rapidly heated in the heat exchanger, a process known as pasteurization, ensuring safety and extending shelf life.
To ensure peak freshness, the pomegranate juice is kept at a precise temperature just above freezing as it moves through the facility.
The process continues in these vast stainless steel tanks. Here, the pomegranate juice is
The high-speed packaging line ensures efficiency, sealing the fresh pomegranate juice into vibrant cartons.
Before the juice can be added, the packaging film must undergo a rigorous sterilization process in this hot water bath.
Here we see the sterilized packaging film being thoroughly dried by these high-speed rollers, ensuring no moisture remains before filling.
The packaging film is sterilized with superheated steam before the juice is added, ensuring the highest quality and safety standards.
The printed film is precisely guided by rollers, rapidly forming the continuous tube that will hold the fresh pomegranate juice.
The continuous film is precisely heat-sealed, forming airtight pouches to lock in the freshness of the juice.
The pouches are then precisely heat-sealed by the robotic arm, locking in the freshness of the juice, before moving to packaging.
The finished pomegranate juice, now in branded cartons, travels quickly along the automated conveyor system towards the next stage.
Here at the Pomery factory, automation is key. The juice boxes are quickly transported and stacked by these high-speed robotic arms.
The sealed containers then move through the sterilization phase, where high-pressure steam ensures the product is safe and stable for storage.
The robotic arm swiftly descends, applying the colorful caps in rapid succession. This precise, automated process
The automated system precisely attaches a straw to each box at high speed before the final wrapping stage.
The automated system precisely groups the juice boxes, ensuring efficiency before they are shrink-wrapped for distribution.
Our state-of-the-art facility utilizes robotic arms to carefully transfer the juice boxes from the conveyor belt to the packaging area. As the juice is packaged, high-speed automated scanners track each carton, maintaining the precise flow of the production line.
The automated system precisely stacks the finished cartons of pomegranate juice, preparing them for shipment.
Before shipment, our quality control team performs meticulous checks, ensuring every box meets our high standards. The QC sticker confirms the batch meets our high standards. Now I'll log the inspection time.
The automated system ensures precision. A quick laser scan registers the pallet before it is smoothly transported to the next stage. Once bottled, the juice is immediately transported to our state-of-the-art, climate-controlled warehouse.
As you could see, the climate status is optimal. We use the WMS to precisely monitor and log the temperature and humidity levels in real time.
It all begins here, at the loading dock, where the freshest pomegranates arrive daily at our state-of-the-art facility. Ensuring the integrity of the supply chain is our first priority. Every container must pass a rigorous 20-point inspection before loading.
The finished pomegranate juice is stacked on pallets and efficiently loaded into containers, ready for shipment.
Here is the manifest for the pomegranate load. Please sign right here. All right, looks good. Here you go. Have a good one.